So today we will see how we can configure the automation to start and stop the instance. ओके आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि हम लोग कैसे ऑटोमेशन से इंस्टेंस को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं और स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज पॉसिबल यूजिंग द लैम्बडा फंक्शन. ओके, so we need to create the lambda function, and using that the lambda function we can start the instance and stop the instance. ये सर्वर को हम लोग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. ओके, चलो फटाक से हम सब्सक्राइब भी कर ले, तो फिर बाद में अगला सॉल्यूशन जो आएगा उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपके नोटिफिकेशन बार में आ जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो first we need to create here the policy, then create the role, then create the lambda function. These three steps, and after that CloudWatch if you want at a time. जो भी आपको टाइम को वहाँ पे स्टार्ट करना है, स्टॉप करना है, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू. तो हम लोग उसे CloudWatch के थ्रू यूज कर सकते हैं. सो अभी मैंने यहाँ पे विंडोज इंस्टेंस क्रिएट किया हुआ है AWS के ऊपर. ओके, स्टॉप, अभी ये स्टॉप स्टेट में है. So this Windows instance is right now I have created, and this is in stop state. So first we need to create here the policy. Okay, to stop and start the instance, so create the policy first. In policy we need to put this code, and this is the JSON codes. Okay, I am giving here. Click on the JSON, delete this one and paste it here. Okay, and then next, click on the next, again next, here start, stop policy. I am giving here the name. Okay, after click on the next, create policy. Click on the create policy. After created this policy, we need to create here the role. Here we need to click on the role. I am putting, yeah, sure. So click on the create role. After clicking on the create role, we need to select here Lambda and next permission. In search we can type here start. जो हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे क्रिएट किया था पॉलिसी, वो सिलेक्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे. we need to select that policy and next. Here we can give here the name start stop role 1. I have created new. Okay, new, create role. Okay, I have earlier, I think I have also created that the role, so that's why it's showing that. So we need to select this one. Okay, new one role. So right now we need to create here the two functions, create function and here start function. Okay, and need to select here Python 3.7 and default execution role, and here click on existing role, and we need to select here the start stop role new that I have created, the new role. Create function, downward side click on okay. Lambda function, we need to delete this code, and these are the codes for start which I am giving here. Yeah, so this copy it and pasting here in Lambda function, and we need to change here to AP South. Our region name is AP South -1 and our instance ID here, this one. So these two we required here. Here we need to give here the instance ID our. Okay, and click on the deploy. Okay, so this is for the start. So I am checking here, click on the test. Here I am writing here start and create. Okay, So click on the test. Right now our instance is stopped, and right now we can see here it's pending and it's running. It means here it's starting and it will start. Okay, so that means this start function is correctly running. Okay, so now create the new function here, the second function for stop function. Here create function stop instance, stop function. Okay, same here 3.7 Python 3.7 execution existing role is here, and start stop new and create function. एंड तो यहाँ पे अभी ये सेकंड वाला जो है स्टॉप इंस्टेंस के कोड आई एम पुटिंग इन दिस, delete this one, pasting here, and ap south -1 and our instance id is this, copy it and pasting here. Click on the deploy, click on the test, need to write here stop, you can write anything there. Okay, and click on the, right now we can see here it's running. Okay, so after clicking on the test it will stop. It's null response, that means it started, and we can see here it's stopping now, it's running correctly. So if we want to stop and start the instance continuously, so we need to create here the in CloudWatch we need to create here the rule. So in CloudWatch, when we go to the CloudWatch, तो यहाँ पे अभी सपोज हम लोगों को यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करने का स्टॉप करने का इंस्टेंस को, तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे रूल देना पड़ता है, क्रिएट करना पड़ता है. सो हाउ वी कैन यूज दैट द रूल. सो मैं एक आपको एग्जांपल के लिए बता रहा हूँ सिर्फ. आई एम गिविंग हियर द एग्जांपल फॉर यू. So I need to go to the CloudWatch. So after going to the CloudWatch, there is an option on the left hand side that is okay. So it's so we can see here it's stopped now. Our instance is stopped. Correct. They went better. Again refreshing that one to CloudWatch instance, and we need to write there the expressions. Okay, so wait, I'm showing you here. Go to the events, click on the rules. Here we need to create here the rule, and we need to select here schedule, and here cron expressions, and click on the learn more. It will show you here the one tab. Okay, one page is here and cron expressions are here. So we can see we need to copy this one, first one, and paste it here and remove one space. We can see here this script will run. Here suppose I am giving here 1730. So it will stop my instance at 11 o'clock at night. So suppose here I am giving here, we need to select here Lambda function. Select here, see here our start function, stop function. So suppose I need to stop function here. Okay, so create configure details and write here stop instance and create role. So it will